Here, we will show you how to set the timer on an AEG microwave combination oven with a command wheel, a touch control model, and a model with rotary dials. When using a microwave setting on your command wheel model, first select the function, oven temperature, and ideal wattage. Then select the timer and turn the wheel until you reach the required number of minutes. Press the wheel to set the timer and start to begin. The countdown will then appear on the display. For most combination microwave ovens in our range, if you are using a combi setting, the timer will appear here, or for a pure microwave setting, it will appear here. On a touch control model, enter the microwave heating function menu, select your function, and set the oven temperature, ideal wattage, and then press the timer icon here. Use the touch display to reach the required number of minutes and then press Start to begin. For a rotary dial model, select your oven function using this dial. Press this button to combine the microwave mode and use the control dial to set the wattage level. Press the microwave button again and then set the oven temperature. Next, press the clock button here and use the control dial to set the duration. After a few seconds, the countdown will begin automatically. For most appliances, when using a wattage above 700, the maximum timer will be 7 minutes. On some models, when you open the door to turn or stir the food, the function and timer will automatically pause. Once the door is closed, press Start and the function and countdown will resume. If you need any more help or advice, our consumer care team will be happy to help.